Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. Into this tutorial, I'm going to be solving this exponential problem. We are given x to the power of log base 5 4 equals 16. So how are we going to do it? Okay, so now I'm going to be solving this problem in two ways. So the first one is that I'm going to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation. So this is going to be log of x, okay, log base 5 then 4 then equals log of what? Log of 16. All right, so from there the next thing we're going to do here is that you know that when you have log of a to the power of b, so the b will have to come down then multiply the log a. All right, so that is what exactly I'm going to use there. So this is going to be log base 5 4 we come down, then we're going to have multiplied by log of what? Log of x then equals log what? Log 16. Understood? So now from here, so the next thing we're going to do is to rewrite. When you have something like this, you have log of a then base b. This can be written as log what? Log a divided by log what? Log b. Understood? So let's take note of this. We are going to apply it. So now this log base 4 divided by 5 can be what? This log 4 base 5 can be log log 4 divided by what? Divided by log 5, okay, then multiply by log x, then equals log 16. Or if I divide both sides by, let me divide both sides by this. If I divide both sides by this, so what do you think will happen? So this is what we're going to have. We're going to have what? We're going to have log x. Log x is going to be equals log what? Log 16. Then we're going to have multiplied by log 5 divided by what? Log 4. So that is what will happen if you try to divide both sides by this. Do you understand? So it's like we take the reciprocal. Understand? So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to have what? We're going to have log x will be equals. Now this log 16 can be log 4 to the power of 2, then multiply by log 5, all divided by what? Divided by log 4. Okay, log 4. All right, so from there, so the next thing we're going to do from here, we're going to have log x will now be equals. So now these two here, we have to multiply this, we come down. So we're going to have 2 log 4 multiplied by log 5, then divided by log what? Log 4. Are you following? All right, so from here, we're going to have log x will now be equals. Now you see that this, we actually cancel this. We're going to have 2 log 5. So whenever you have a log b, so this can be written as log b to the power of a. So now that's exactly we are going to what we are going to do here. All right, so from there we're going to have log x will now be equals log 5 to the power of 2. So now log 5 to the power of 2 is what? Is 25. We have log s equals log what? Log 25. So now from here, since we are having the same basis, okay, so therefore automatically this implies that x will be what? X will be 25. So therefore we have the solution to the problem to be 25. I said we are going to do this in two ways. Now the other way is that we are giving x to the power of log 4 base 5 to be equal 16. Now, so I want you to know this fact. There's a fact that when you have a log to the power of log, you have bc. So this can be like by interchanging. You are going to interchange this. This will come down, okay, then this will go up. You understand? So what are we saying? So what I'm saying now is that we're going to have this to be c will come down, log base b, and a will go up. So that is the law. That's the law. Understood? So now by applying that law, so we're going to apply the law here. So now if you apply that law there, so it means that we're going to have what 4 will come down, then equals what? Now you know that 16 here can be written as 4 to the power of 2. We're going to have 4 to the power of 2. So now from here, since we are having the same basis, this is going to be log x base 5, then equals 2. So now from there, so we're going to have what? We're going to have writing this in exponential form. It means that we're going to uh, 5 raised to the power of 2, that is going to have x to be 5 to the power of 2, and then x is going to be 25. Understood? And that is what that is the solution to the problem. Can you see that? So this second method is very, is very straightforward, but it's not common. All right, so with that, we've come to the end of the class. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Bye bye.